Injuries? Do we have barbecue-related injuries? Blood? Are you bleeding?
Internally.
Oh, blood, sweat, and
Internal
tears.
bleeding. Fuck.
So you did open at least?
God damn it. No, it's not. Here, hold it. Two hands.
So it's been about 10 minutes, and as you can see, there's not a whole lot of barbecue going on.
Let me. You hold.
I wonder if the cavemen had the same problems when they were trying to make fire. Fire. You do this. Yeah.
Come on,
But the women didn't have smartphone at that time.
No. The women were being smart, just sitting around drinking wine.
Yeah.
I got it almost, huh?
So we're using a nutcracker to loosen the bolts.
Fucking cunt.
Like this.
Like that? Alright. Yeah. We need to ask the girls. Another reason to go to see the girls is that we need screwdrivers and shit.
Alright, well you go visit the neighbors.
I'm gonna go say hello to the neighbors.